Day number 51, let's kick off week number 11 talking Euro CAD. It's pushed against us towards the stop loss, just over halfway there now. Has been hovering around this area for the last few days. Not the worst position we've been in, but it is closing up at that high, not promising for us at the minute. Still got some room to work with. Otherwise, we do sort of have a signal on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. You can see here, it's just about closing above this area, and we got divergence on the AD. Gonna try and give it one more day. Not quite convinced by this one, so yeah, let's see if it wants to push one more and stay under this area back here, and we could see ourselves in. Hopefully we got that tomorrow. Day number 52, starting off with some bad news. Euro Canadian dollar, what a rise that went on. Volatile day today with the US inflation data coming out. So good thing we did have the stop loss on, and it pushes us way further down. 4.5% down now on the account. Silver lining, we're just going to jump into two trades here. Swiss franc Japanese yen and New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Look at that push there, really big. 1.25%. Start with the Swiss franc Japanese yen. You can see it's a very marginal divergence. We got it a little bit here and a little bit more back there, so we are good. Let's pull the average true range up. 107.2 pips. And here come the trades. Subtrade A, getting used to plugging these in now. And subtrade B, good stuff. Let's take profit. A bit of a distance where at least you can't see the stop loss. There it is. Fantastic. Now the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, again, double divergence. Once from back here, another one here. Pushes up to a new high. So average true range, 78.4 pips. Sell trades again, 0.19. In we go, and in we go. And the stop loss and take profits up here. Yeah, that's some distance for the take profit. Gonna have to see a 2.5% drop. Could do. And finally, the trailing stop loss. So we're good to go. One gone today, but two new ones in. Just throwing everything we can at it now. No point in hanging around. Let's just get in there and get some good trades on. Two big winners, and we are going to end up back in profit again. It's just that close for us. But if both these turn into losers, we really are damned on the strategy. All right, see how we're doing tomorrow. Day number 53, this really is our D-Day if we were the Germans. Both of these Japanese yen trades that we got into yesterday are gone, blown apart. $402.70 lost on those two trades. You can see the trend just kept on moving. Big push upwards on both of them. Embarrassing stuff for us and the accumulation distribution indicator, particularly in the sense of a divergence. Now down to $9,137.88. That is 8.5% down in the account, and it is crumbling around us now. I think we're going to see it out to the end of the week. If there's any new signals, we will take them, but otherwise it's going to be curtains on this one. No point in carrying on with it when it's losing this badly. So we got 2 days left for trades. Last call. Day number 54, and we are looking at the saddest thing that I ever did see. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen and Swiss franc Japanese yen. What a drop they've been on. The NZD one would have been in some profit already. See on the 30-minute chart, kicked out right near the top, and down it's come since then. Same on the Swiss franc. Wouldn't actually be in profit yet, would still be losing money here. So nevertheless, always sad to see that we got in a little bit early. And also I noticed yesterday we actually missed a signal on the US dollar Swiss franc. After a big drop the day before, it came in with divergence compared to back here. Sadly, it went green today, so we missed that boat. But the similar currency pair, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, that's good to go. You can see it dropping off into lows today, but the AD maintains a higher low than compared to back here, just 14 periods previous. So let's grab our average true range indicator, 14 periods. 40.9 pips. That does give us 0.22 standard lots on these trades. Buying the market once and buying the market twice. Subtrade A, take profit, stop loss. $101.22. Sounds good to me. Obviously we'll get there. Yeah, not so sure about that, but there's subtrade B. And we'll just get that trailer in for it. There we go, another trade. Just going for him when we see him now. Last legs of the strategy, salvage what we can, or see it harshly condemned further. Alright, back tomorrow. Day number 55, and we continue to see the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen and Swiss franc Japanese yen fall. Would have easily been profits if we'd gone in up here. Meanwhile, our active trade CAD Swissy has barely moved. Went down, went up, stayed the same. But let's get in one more trade. Euro Great British Pound. Selling off the market. Got some very narrow divergence going on. Multiple areas though, all across here. Little peaks above. Right the way back to 58 periods. This candle here. Average true range indicator reads 39.2 pips. So a bit of a generous round down for 0.20 standard loss. Sell and sell once more. Stop loss and take profit levels appear. The subtrade B take profit. That is some distance to what it looks like at the moment. Stop loss is up there. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. If either one of these trades comes in a loser, CAD Swissy or Euro Great British Pound, that'll be the end of the strategy for new signals. We will see out both the trades, but for us to want to take more signals, we are going to have to win both of these. Ideally with subtrade B getting to the take profit. It's been a very grim week to put us into that position. Let's check out how it recaps over in the journal. Okay, journal time. We know we're not impressed with it. These reds just keep racking up. More and more losses the more we go. Our worst week yet this week. Euro CAD fell at the start. We tried to bounce straight back in with these two Japanese yen trades, but both of them losers. The only bits of green we've got on here just from some minor swap gains that we've had. Otherwise, we've got to go all the way back to the beginning. Things looked bright when we first started out, but the record recently is beyond abysmal. Still those two trades going, like I say, got to win them both if we are to continue. Otherwise, we're going to drift beyond 10% down. 11 trades in 55 days, so averaging one trade a week. But it doesn't matter how many trades we average each week if they all turn out to be losers. This is the final shot for the divergence to prove us wrong. At least there's no pain for us over the weekend. Markets closed. We're back on Monday.